Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. Yeah, seeing amazingly beautiful, cute little tiny collection coach from Indian Ocean. It is called cute little Lord SHIVA praying hands Om puja conch Indian Ocean. So you can see a clear solid Om here, clear solid Om formed on here, and beautiful conch with long tail. And here you can see a clear image of praying hands of Lord Shiva. See, praying hands of Lord Shiva. Beautiful hand here, and Lord Shiva praying and doing the japa. See, here is a mala, Lord Shiva doing japa. Very clear hand of Lord Shiva. You can feel the vibration. You can feel the extreme vibration by touching. Beautiful Om. And here's a solid Om here, solid Om here. And here you can see the Lord Bhairava face. It's a beautiful collection conch from Indian Ocean. Tiny, powerful. See, such a solid Om you can never see in any conch, puja conch. And beautiful long tail. And this is the first time you are seeing the formation of Lord Shiva hand in the conch. You can see clear hand and thumb here and doing japa. Praying hand of Lord Shiva doing the japa. Beautiful conch. Unbelievable formation, unbelievable formation. How clear the hand is. Solid Om, solid hand of Lord Shiva doing the japa. You can see a clear thumb finger doing the japa. Beautiful conch from Indian Ocean. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya.